down to the ground. You're dragging me. It's constantly. No, I won't make a sound. I love the pain. It sets me free. It's wrong. I can't.
Hello beauties, thank you so much for clicking this video. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and remember to click the subscribe button down below. So today's video is going to be another wig review. I got this wig from Amazon. I actually got it from Sunwell. It's 100% virgin human hair. I'll put a link for this wig in the description box down below so you can go check it out for yourself. So the wig came in this box right here, and it came with this letter just to tell you on what to expect, just in case you like the hair, if you don't like the hair. And then it also came with this cap, but I rarely use this cap because of the hook that is always in the middle of the wig, just in case I want to use that comb. This is the hair. It's a lace front wig, 100% human hair, and I love the color. The color is mid brown, and then the length is 16. It came with 4 combs, 2 on the side, 1 in the middle, and 1 at the back, and also it had adjustable straps.
I'm shaking now, 'cause you say those things, then shut me out. Got no clue what you have found. I'm a rose in thorns, but you couldn't.
This is how the wig looks on my head without cutting the lace. And guys, this hairline is so natural. Like, it came pre-plucked with baby hair, so this hair can be so good for a beginner because you don't have to do so much on it. And then I also love the waves. The waves look so natural. So I first of all just cut the lace in front before cutting the lace on the side, like on the ears. This is how the wig looks after I cut the entire lace. I didn't cut like really up to where the hairline starts. I actually left some inches, and then you can cut the lace at the back as well.
Down to the ground, you're dragging me. It's constantly. No, I won't make a sound. I love the pain. It sets me free.
I put the wig back, and then now guys, this is the tricky part. The left side fits so well under the ear, and now the right part, the hair was kind of long, so I had to cut the extra hair. And you have to be so careful when you're trying to cut the excess hair, because you might end up cutting too much and there's no going back. So this is the hair I'm going to cut, and I'm not going to cut like just a straight line. I'm going to cut in like a C shape so that it fits under the ears. And for the left side, I just cut the lace. I didn't cut any hair because the left side fits so well. There was no excess hair. So guys, this is how the wig looks after I cut the entire lace, and you can see how perfect it is. And then I just had to apply concealer powder on the hairline so that it matches my skin.
Got no clue what you have found. I'm a rose in thorns, but you cut me down. It's wrong, I can't make right. I love the bird below you, tell myself that this is the last time. It's wrong, I can't make right. Slipping off in the moonlight when I knew the truth. I had myself for you. I know the truth.
I glued it down using this ghost bonding glue. And then you have to make sure it really dries and becomes clear. And I only used like 2 layers. And guys, just make sure it dries and becomes so clear, because when you put the lace on it when it's white, it's going to be so messy.
Oh my baby, got me staring at you, so I'm crazy. Won't you bend that back for me? We won't stop, got your feet both locked. You get to fly with me. I can take you down for a ride. I take you around my life. Jaywalking, crosswalking, lip locking with you. I know it, you know it, we make it. So I'm crazy. Oh my baby, got me staring at you. So I'm crazy. Won't you bend that back for me?
So I applied mousse, and then the waves are coming out so well. And then I decided just to spray some water, and then the waves came out so perfect. So I decided just to spray water on the entire wig. And guys, like, who doesn't love this? And you can actually see the difference between the two sides. This side that I've sprayed with water, and this other side that doesn't have water. I didn't do the baby hair because it just looks good like this, and I also didn't use so many products. I didn't flat iron because I also wanted it to be just a beginner friendly. And you guys, look at that, it looks so natural.
Like a drug I keep on wanting. There's a love that fits so perfect, it's hard to believe.
You can style this hair any way you want. You can as well put it in a bun, but then I wouldn't advise you to style this hair when it is wet, or any just hair. Don't style it when it's wet, because when you style it when it's wet, it is going to damage it, and you might see some, you know, shading, and you don't want that. So don't style it when it's wet. Mine was wet, but because I just wanted to show you how you can style it, I just had to do it. But don't style your hair when it's wet. And wow, guys, look at that. It looks so perfect and natural. So you can actually style this hair any way you want. You can as well glue it down at the back. I didn't glue this one, but I just wanted to show you guys how it really looks when you hold it in a bun. Thank you so much, Sunwell, for this hair. I am so impressed. First of all, it came pre-plucked, and then the hair is so light, soft, it doesn't tangle, it doesn't shed. Like, everything is just done for you. You can as well do the baby hair if you want to, but I was just okay with it like this. And then the parting was also done, and I am so impressed. I will link all the information in the description box down below, so you can go check it out for yourself. Once again, Sunwell, thank you so much for this wig. I am so impressed, and I love it.
Grip might slip too soon, but I'm running, chasing speed and gunning. I'll be right there all of a sudden. I feel your heartbeat lead me straight to
guys, make sure you check the description box down below for this wig from Sunwell. And if you found this video helpful, remember to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you guys next time on my next video. Bye. Mwah. Love you guys.